All right, today we're going to do science experiments with baking soda and vinegar. What do baking soda and vinegar make when they mix together?
I don't know.
Well, today we're going to find out. Are you ready? Okay, the first experiment we're going to do is we pour a lot of baking soda inside of this dish. Ready? And then we shake this out and make it flat. Whoa! Alright, next thing, we're gonna drop these little bits all over onto here. Like that. And make lots of different little colored spots. Ready? Do you want to make a couple?
Yeah.
Now, we gotta cover those up with just a little bit more of this stuff so that they're hidden. Each one gets a little bit of a blob on top, like that. And then we'll take our vinegar, which is in here, and put them on top. Now watch what happens. Whoa! Look at all those things go! They're foaming up all over from underneath.
There's more!
There are? Here, it's your turn. Whoa!
There's one.
Oh! Foams up everywhere. All right. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
This is gonna get big. 1, 2, 3. Ah! Ah! And it makes a giant colorful rainbow.